Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to All Baking and Cooking. Today we are going to make restaurant style original recipe of butter chicken, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and we are going to roast them in a non-stick frying pan on low flame. Keep shaking them, keep shaking up the frying pan, and when cumin seeds change up their color and gives the aroma, and grind it a little bit. And again take 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves and roast them in a non-stick fry pan. Now in a bowl take 500 grams of boneless chicken, and now we are going to prepare the marination batter. For that I have taken 1 big sized onion, 1 inch ginger, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, and 3 medium-sized chilies, 1 handful of fresh green coriander. Add all these things in a blender or in a container and add almost 2 tablespoons of water, as much little water as you can, and make a smooth paste. Now we are going to add all the things into the chicken for marination. So I am adding fenugreek leaves and the cumin seeds which we roasted. Add them into the bowl of chicken, then add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, then add half teaspoon of black pepper, 100 ml of thick yogurt which is without water, drain the water aside and add only the thick yogurt, and then add our blended mixture of onion, garlic, chilies, cloves, and ginger, and green coriander. Then add almost 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Squeeze the lemons into the mixture, mix it well, and then add, in the end we have to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter into this marination mixture, and mix it with the help of hands, with your bare hands, or you can use a spoon. Take a bowl and make a mixture of 100 ml of cream and 100 ml of yogurt and mix them and keep it aside. Take a karahi or a non-stick pan and add 100 ml of 50 ml of vegetable oil and 50 ml of melted butter on very low flame. Add the chicken pieces in the butter and oil mixture into the frying pan. Now turn the flame to the medium. Turn the flame to medium and fry them. But please note that don't cover the frying pan while frying the chicken pieces. Otherwise, chicken pieces will leave the water and the taste will all go away. We want to lock the taste into the chicken pieces. So cook it or fry it without cover. Now take another deep pot or a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil on a very low flame. Mix them up, and once they are heated up, add the leftover marination mixture into the butter oil mixture and fry it until the water is dried up. Water is all dried up and oil leaves the batter aside. Now add half teaspoon of salt. If you feel that salt is not as per your taste, add half teaspoon of chaat masala. At this point, if you add chaat masala, it gives a very good taste to the gravy of this butter chicken. So you can see all the water is dried up and our gravy is ready. Now it's time to smoke the chicken pieces. Put a piece of bread or a roti and then put a burning coal onto the piece of that bread or roti and drip some drops of oil. Let it be smoked for 20 seconds and then take off the cover. On a very low flame, put the gravy into the pot on the very low flame again, and add the smoked chicken pieces into it, and add half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, add half teaspoon of chaat masala, mix it well. When chicken pieces are all covered up with the gravy, turn off the flame and now add the yogurt cream mixture. At this point, don't add the yogurt and cream mixture on the with the flame on, because it will make the cream off, and it will not give a good look and taste.